Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of AVARigs. I am Wesley as always, and today we have a whiteout build, just like the whiteout we had earlier this week. It was a grand time, let me tell you, but we're not here to talk about the snow in Ohio. We are here to talk about this beautiful system. So as always, we're going to break down what's inside the system, what's powering it, all that good stuff. So let's get right into it. Before we hop into what is actually inside this system, last video I said a 9900K was the best bang for your buck. Everybody made fun of me at the office. It was a grand time. I'm dumb, so let's move on. It's not the best bang for your buck. If you have the money and you can get it, you do it. It's good. No way, shape, or form is the best bang for your buck. Now, on to what is in here. So we have an MSI build this time, so no Asus. Typically we have a lot of Asus stuff on here, but this time MSI was like, I'm coming in, and here they are. So we have an MSI MPG Z390 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. Real nice motherboard. I do like that motherboard. It's really nice. Really nice, let me tell you. It is going to be powered in the socket by an Intel i9-9900K, tried and true. The graphics card is going to be an MSI VENTUS 2080 Ti, 11 gigabytes of GDDR6. Well, you know, it's a staple, obviously. And then we move on to the whiteness of the case. So we're going to have 32 gigabytes of CORSAIR Vengeance memory with RGB, whiteout. I love the look of the whiteout stuff. For cooling, you're going to have the CORSAIR H100i Platinum Special Edition, which is whiteout as well. So the PSU in this system is going to be an EVGA 1000 watt G5 PSU. They're fairly new. They look really nice. I went down to go get one to show you right here, right now. We didn't have one that I could show you right here, right now. I walked all that distance for nothing. It's the story of my life. Moving on. Fans. We have 4 CORSAIR LL120 fans that I believe are white as well. I really like those fans. I like the design of them. They're flashy, RGBs, lights, you know, you get the deal. Storage, you're going to have a Samsung 970 EVO 1 terabyte M.2 SSD. And then as an HDD, you're going to have a Western Digital Black 1 terabyte HDD. It's a nice build. It really is. I'm a very big fan of the whiteout builds. They're very few and far between. Me personally, I would love to do a whiteout build one of these days. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is it for this AVARigs. However, I am here to tell you that we have a lot of exciting things coming up. We have a lot more video content that we're planning to bring to you one of these days. One of these days, the live stream will be coming back with me and Mr. Joseph Mundy. However, that is all in the works, but when we're ready to tell you more details about it, we will be sure to, I would assume, make a video. Brooke, correct? Yep. Okay, she said yep. I don't know if you heard her, but she said yep. As always, if a build like this interests you, you can always hop over to AVADirect.com, or you can reach out to our awesome sales team and they will guide you in the right direction and make sure that what you want is what you get. Customize without compromise. Yeah. But beyond that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in as always, and I will see you next time. If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com